software engineer with Intel Automation. I am an infrastructure engineer who works in the data center.
And what do you think were some interesting things you've heard today so far?
The most important thing I've heard today was about the cyber security. We keep thinking about security, but I haven't heard much or thought much about cyber security. So that was my major eye-opening. I was looking to move careers, and I'm thinking of moving into cyber security, which I'm thinking I should get into cyber security.
That's great. And what got you in the engineering field?
It was my computer science class in college. In school, actually, when I was in the 4th grade, my uncle took me to my first DOS programming, and it was very interesting how logic could get me to move stuff on the computer. So that's how I first got interested in computers, and then I wanted to become a computer engineer to learn more about how computers work.
And if you had any superpower, what would be the first thing that you would tackle?
Security. I think that's what I've been thinking about so far, as from the time I heard about security. I think the first problem, the major problem that I would tackle is security, because with cloud and IoT coming up, security is a major problem we should tackle.